Hello, today's DIY project is about making a simple workbench that is under $50. The purpose of making this workbench is to put all my power tool on top of it. So it is 2 by 8, around 2.4 meters long. Everything can put on top of that. Let's first start to make the frame for it. So we have done the table frame. So the next is to put a leg to it. So the legs is 2 by 6. Now we need the table saw just to cut those legs. Let's go. The next is to lay all the legs on top of the frame, and we need to nail those legs to those frames in the next steps. The four legs are all screwed to the table frame, but it's not stronger enough. We need another layer just to enforce everything. So the next step is to make another layer of a frame and also put as a shelf. Just made another layer frame, so this frame will be put at the bottom of this workbench. This layer will be reinforce the workbench and also function as an extra shelf. From 8 inches of each foot, I pre-drill 4 nails so I can temporarily put my frame on top of that. Now the bottom frame was nailed to the 4 legs. So far we have done all the underneath work. It's time to flip the table and work on top of that. We need to fasten the table surface to the table frame by using those small screws. Those are the screws I'm going to use. There's going to be a lot of them. Let's go. The table surface is done now. So far everything looks good, and I just shake it from different angle. Looks like everything is strong because of the nails I put all from different angle, so everything gets tightly knit together. Since the table is up, I spent some time cleaning up the workbench and set up everything. From the left is table saw, compound saw. In the middle I'll put my drill press, and the right side is my band saw. I also installed a power bar and also 2 work lights on top of that. So now everything looks ready to go. So the next, I still need to finish my second layer shelf under. Now we have finished everything. The top layer and the second layer as a shelf. As you can see, everything gets very nicely laid out on this workbench. On the top of the surface are the large size power tool. On the second layer shelf, I put all my small portable power tools on that. Basically, that is a DIY project from today. A very simple workbench. It's a 2 by 8. It's very long, and so basically you can put all your power tool neatly on this workbench. So its cost is very low. It's under 50 Canadian dollars. If you are interested, you can definitely make one by yourself. Okay, that is all of today's DIY project. If you like my video, please give a thumb up or just leave your valuable comments. So thanks for watching for today's DIY project.